Hey guys, welcome back to channel. Today we're going to see about Shiba Inu, AMA update which happened on 29th of December. So I think it was a great show. The co-host performed an amazing job, and then we got some really exciting news for Shiba Inu. Trust me, guys, 2022 will be a great year for the Shiba Inu because they have officially released a blog, which means they directly want to communicate with you and me, Shiba Inu army. There are a lot of scammers out there. We saw already. Ask the doctor has been praising Shiba Inu for a few weeks, and then all of a sudden, they want to create the FUD and then sell the FUD saying that Shiba Inu is a scam. So they don't want to deal with this scam anymore. So they have officially released a blog where we can look for any official updates from the Shiba Inu team. Shaitoshi and Ryoshi will be posting updates here, I believe. So I think they're having their vision very clear, because everyone knows that Shiba Inu army is growing day by day all over the world, but these guys getting into the track actually. So let's get into the video and then see a list of things they have discussed. And there are some things which I didn't expect, which is obviously amazing thing for Shiba Inu on a good way. Right, guys, so I'm not a financial advisor, a disclaimer. So this video is only for the entertainment purposes. Please do your own research. This video is not an advice for you to buy, hold, or sell any coins. Okay, guys. So first thing, they're wishing an amazing holiday to everyone out there across the world. And then getting to the point, they're saying that there are two tokens in Shiba Inu platform. I'm pretty sure that you guys know that. One is Bone token, one is Leash token. Then another thing we know about Shiba Inu is it is running on it's an Ethereum blockchain. And obviously we know for a fact that in Ethereum, with this version, the gas fees is extremely high, and no one want to pay the gas fees. So as one of the promises from Ryoshi and Shaitoshi is, when the Shibarium is released, they told, like, the transaction fees will be kept minimum, or it will be zero. So they don't want to have any gas fees for the Shiba community. So they have confirmed here in this interview, saying that the Bone token is confirmed as the token that will be used as a gas in Shibarium. So but they didn't tell us it will be zero, but they have already gave us another article saying that they will maximum try to keep it zero or to a very minimum level. So if you want to go and buy the Bone token, obviously you can go here, and then you can buy the Bone token. Plus also, guys, in this blog you can subscribe so that you can get the official notification when they release any news, and then any article or any updates from the Shiba Inu team actually, right? So what they're saying is, the information they want us to fetch from the Shiba community is from the official blog which they released, and then the official Twitter page, and then the Discord, right? The second thing is they're working on the Shiba Net, which is currently undergoing an audit. Shiba Net is kind of a marketplace, so where there are a lot of transactions using Shiba Inu might come, and then I think it'll be more than Shiba Inu. Only time will tell, right? I'm pretty sure that these guys are working on an aggressive mode, and they are looking the future well forward. So I'm pretty positive that Shiba Net will have a lot more than to offer than just Shiba Inu. That's what I believe. And the Doggy DAO multiple faces is nothing but since we are in the crypto centralized blockchain, there are a lot of things people can vote and then get things moving. So I think this will be useful for that. And then the next thing is Shiba version 2 portal. Obviously, they have released a portal, I don't know, in quick time. So they believe that the better version is yet to come. Even you and me, when we download an app in App Store, or in Android Play Store, there are a lot of bugs comes with that. So it's part of the process, guys. But it's I'm very glad to know that they're having a roadmap and then phase for that. So version 2 portal might include so many other things. Just don't think that it's going to be a better version of this. Obviously it will be a better version, but then it will be with so many other things, so other features, where I think it'll give a great go for the coin actually. The next thing is, we all know that Shiba Inu is developing a game, and we thought it's only one game, which is only to the mobile users. But then here comes a surprise, guys. They are also developing both mobile games and the desktop games. We know that we have already signed a contract with the AAA gaming studio in Australian, is an Australian company, and then it's been led by the William Woke from the Activision. So, and we also know that we are working on the metaverse, which is called Hohiverse. The own Shiba Inu's metaverse is called Hohiverse. So the gaming industry is going to be crazy. So if you look at the market cap, the gaming industry is going to be more than 150 billion in 2025. So that's why people, focusing on the gaming things. Plus, coins like Gala, Axie Infinity, you're already seeing that the prices are going up. People have made a lot of money in these coins. This is very clear sign that gaming industry is going to dominate. And then if you invest in those industries, you're going to make some crazy money, guys. That's what I'm pretty clear about that. And then the next AMA, which is going to be very similar with the Shiba Inu project team, it's going to be on 22nd of February, which is an amazing day to remember. 22 to 22, so it depends on where you live actually. So this is a US date format, guys. I think there's a lot to happen in 2022. Just I mean the coin has achieved so much in the last few months, I would say. In October we had almost 1000% increase, so it's looking very bright, guys. I'm pretty sure that we're going to make a lot of money with Shiba Inu, because if you see the price here now, it's quad 034, and people would be thinking that, what, why didn't I buy the coin at quad 028? Why didn't I buy the coin quad 034? Because within no time, within few hours, it can skyrocket to quad 05665, and then it can touch the all-time highs. So there's a lot of price predictions out there, but I'm pretty confident that we are definitely going to burn a zero in 2022. That is for, I'm pretty sure that's my conviction. This is not a financial advice. And I think, we will break the all-time highs, and then we will go, which will give a lot of profit actually, even if you buy the coin now. Think about it, guys. The coin had so many zeros. We have like more than 8 9 zeros. We have come along the way, burning all the zeros to quad 034. There are a lot of millionaires already being made by Shiba Inu, and then there are certain people who still believe in the coin, which I believe in the coin, because I've invested a decent amount of money in this coin. And I think there are a lot of other coins to make money as well. But Shiba Inu, I think it's getting more official now, because the project leads are creating a blog, and they are doing whatever they can to make sure that they're having official communication with the investors, and the retail investors are quite big, and they believe that the power of retail investors is very big, and they have already seen this, because it's a community based token. And then we already seeing that this community based token has taken a skyrocket price, and and they've also gained money. So hopefully I hope you like this video, guys. Please do subscribe to our channel. I'm trying to keep it very real here. I'm not here to pump any channel. So please do subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Please do leave a comment saying that, do you think that Shiba Inu is going to skyrocket in 2022? Do you think that we're going to burn 1 or 2 zeros? Please do let me know. And then have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.